Shakaz, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm so happy I have reached 300 subscribers, and I just wanted to say thank you to all of you who show your continued love and support for the growth of my channel and for joining me on this crafty journey. I hope that it continues, and I hope that you continue to find inspiration and you continue to join me here as appreciation for my subbies. I am going to have a giveaway, and I have 3 different prizes to give away. It's a real simple giveaway. As you know, I'm a Disney fan, so I would just like you to put your favorite Disney character in the comments below, and that's how you'll be entered. You must be a US subscriber, you must be 18 years or older, and you must be visible when I confirm that you are a subscriber to my channel. The giveaway starts now, which is April 4th, and it will go through April 15th, and I will call the winner on April 16th. And this is in 2020 if you are watching this at a later time. So so the giveaways I have are nothing major, but it's just to show a little appreciation for you. I have 3 different giveaways. Their components are the same, they're just different things, you'll see. And so you have a chance to win 3 different times. But here we go. So the first one I have is a 6x9 flourish pack. Sorry, 6x8 flourish pack by Maggie Holmes. I figure they're all Maggie Holmes products that I'm giving away, and I figure you can't go wrong with her products. Everybody adores them. So you will get a 6x8 paper pack in each of the giveaways. They're just different collections. They come with 24 sheets, and these are the papers that is included in the Flourish collection. And along with this 6x8 paper pad, you'll get these 2 washies. And I'm also giving with it this stamp, clear stamp images, right? That's what they're called. And you see that one, it's and the little ticket, ice cream cone, flowers. So yeah, so this is one of the prizes. This is the next prize, and this one is Sunny Days paper pad and a 6x8 as well. And these are the papers that are included in the Sunny Days collection. Sorry, heard my dog. You'll also get these 2 washies. Whoops, sorry. And then this stamp set. And there's the sentiment. So that's another winner. And then the last one is Willow Lane, and it's the 6x8. And here are the paper pack pages in this pack. That one I went through kind of fast, sorry. But these are the 2 washies you get with this one. And the stamp set. And those are the sentiments. and the deer and the flowers. So yes, these are my winnings. And like I said, it'll end on the 15th of April 2020, and I will draw the winner on the 16th of 2020. In order to enter, you do just need to let me know which character is your favorite Disney character. And I appreciate you all for helping me reach this 300 milestone. And until the next video, shakaz.